Sukhdev College of Business Studies.
Good morning, myself Khushi Sharma and I'm from Delhi. My hobbies are reading books and baking.
Hi, my name is Devam Juneja and I belong to Delhi itself. A learner by mind and a poet by heart.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanusha Arora and I'm from Delhi. My hobbies are reading books, listening songs and writing poems.
Hello aspirants, my name is Ankur Agredi and I am pursuing the BMS program from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies.
Hi, I'm Ananya and my hobbies are studying because that's why I am in CBS. Also, I like cooking, dancing, singing and pretty much everything.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Bhandare. I'm a stock market investor and a communication assistant at Econos Consulting.
When I got to know that I got into Shahid Sukhdev, I could not believe it was a life-changing moment for me and I was very happy.
Oh my god! Wow!
Stop it. Get some help.
It was quite unbelievable that I had finally made it. I was ecstatic and grateful, and my parents were elated and proud of me.
Well, the reaction was obviously I was really happy and my parents were really proud of me. But apart from this, there was a sense of certainty as DUJAT results came out quite late. So I was really glad I got into my dream college.
Well, my reaction after getting into CBS was just amazing because I was stunned, I was working hard for it, it was my dream. So yeah, I was very happy. But for my parents, it was just like any other DU college because they are not into management. So yeah, they were happy, but not that excited as I was.
Honestly, I did not even think that I would get this prestigious college. But when me and my parents found about this, we were really happy and my parents were really proud of me.
Online education is being very informative and very helpful, and like teachers are very interactive. They help students in every possible way by providing notes, recording, everything.
To be very honest, the online classes are great. But I really hope the college reopens soon.
It has been quite great interacting with my teachers and my batchmates. They're all really good and cooperative. Also, the environment here is so insightful and enriching.
The online classes have been great. The faculty we have is very brilliant. The environment here is very competitive and enriching, and you've got so much to learn every day.
My experience till now in online classes is chill. Like, yeah, it's okay. I am enjoying the college vibe we are getting a little bit. But other than that, please open the college. I am just dying to go.
Coming to the online classes, we have great faculty and the course curriculum is also good.
What I dislike about online education is that we cannot meet each other. Everything is like on laptops, on mobiles, and it has become a really headache. And while in college, we would have been like much closer. The talks, the sessions, everything.
Present ma'am. I try to focus but
What I dislike about online classes is that it deprives us of the musty with friends, offline fun, eating food at Nescafe, canteen, playing games, and the real chill of the college.
I'm not interested, yaar. मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है.
There's hardly anything to like about the online classes.
Wait a minute.
The online classes have been great.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
You're stuck in a room, watching the same laptop screen again and again. You're missing out on the beautiful view of our campus. Plus, you're missing out on the casual meetups our Delhi batchmates have. So it's really frustrating.
I don't think I really dislike anything about online classes except for this.
FBI, open up!
Wait.
The worst thing about online classes is that we cannot have the real backbenchers fun.
What?
Okay, so we had our CR elections this week. We did full marketing and campaigning for the candidates, and it was really fun.
The funniest thing I can remember, there are two instances. First, I think in the orientation where some random guys spammed in our video call, like the orientation program, and they were dancing. And like not normal dancing, they were dancing so funny. So yeah, that is one funny moment. And second, I remember when one of our teachers just left the meeting and they didn't rejoin, and we decided to have a DJ like day because it was 9 a.m. and everybody was so energized. Like a guy literally turned on his camera and he started dancing in the middle of the class. So yeah, that was really funny.
Well, there's nothing very funny happened as of now, but yeah, we've had quite a few pranks with our batchmates.
So the funniest thing that happened in our class was that a guy had left his mic on and suddenly his phone rang, so we could hear his funny ringtone.
I haven't visited the campus till now, but I'm very excited too. I am very much sure it's going to be very big, it's going to be very interesting with so many facilities over there.
Yes, apart from the modern infrastructure with all the facilities, the campus really emits positive vibes.
Yes, I have visited the college and the campus is big and beautiful. The infrastructure is modern and comfortable and equipped with all the facilities. Also, the faculty here is very supportive.
Sadly, no, I haven't visited the campus, but I've heard a lot of things about it, that it's really beautiful and big and the infrastructure is really great. So I'm really excited to visit the campus. But yeah, I've had the virtual tour which is available on its site.
Yes, I have visited the campus and it is beautiful. I mean, it wasn't that big like you expect from a DU. But I think it's pretty good and it has its own vibe. So yeah, I'm pretty chill about it.
No, I have not visited the campus yet, but I would surely love to visit it soon.
ना हमसे ना हो पाएगा.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
We can just hope for the best, and yeah, who wants to study online? So we are all eagerly waiting for the colleges to open offline and things to get back to normal, and hence we pray to God for that.
I can just pray that this should not happen because we all are really dying to reach the campus and study in the offline mode. So yeah, be optimistic and just hope for the best.
क्यों दुखती नस पे हाथ रख रहे हो? No, Corona shouldn't continue. The third wave shouldn't be there at all. I just hope कि सब सही रहे और Omicron doesn't hit us the way the previous waves did, and the college gets open because I'm really looking forward to meeting all of my fellow mates. So yeah, just hope for the best.
I really want to attend offline classes and there must be no third wave kind of thing.
My message for the future aspirants would be study well, keep your goals clear, and once you get into your dream college and the course you want, you would be the happiest person on this planet, and all those sleepless nights, all those hard work would actually pay it off.
Have faith in yourself, be confident, and you will make it. All the best.
My message to the future aspirants is to stay motivated and not lose track of their progress, to be optimistic and keep working hard for their goals, and things will automatically fall into place.
To all the aspirants out there, work hard, have a strong hold of your basics, don't stress out yourself, but also be consistent. All the best and hope to meet you all soon.
So, a short message for the future aspirants would be, बस दिल लगा के पढ़ो और आगे बढ़ो. Do your best and God will do the rest.
Future aspirants, I would say it's not that difficult. Also, nothing comes easy in life. You have to work hard, you have to hustle. Just believe in yourself, keep it short and straight to the point. Whatever your syllabus is, don't go barging into all the books and all the things you can get. Of course, there is a fixed syllabus, go by that. And also just be focused and believe in yourself. I think it's not that difficult to be here. You can just work hard and ace it. That's it.